In this video, we will show Tower Hands how to add a site project to their database prior to actually collecting photos and data about that site. This assumes you have already learned how to log in to Crinkle Closeout and are sitting on the home page as we are here. If you look at the home page, you will notice there may or may not be many buttons that you can scroll to. However, the very top button is the most important button. It is called Add Site Project. So let's do that now. Here we have many sites for different projects. For example, the top project is Ericsson 65 megahertz tower. That's a Sprint project. And if we scroll down, we'll see other projects. For example, Ericsson Southern Link microwave. I'll move that one to the top. And let's go ahead and add an Ericsson Southern Link microwave site to the database prior to adding a photo log to that site. We select it. And the first question is a map question, and it asks you where you are. Even if you do not see the map in the background, that's okay. You can just hit next because it does have your GPS position. Remember, GPSs come from outer space, not the internet. Also, take a look at the small button above the bottom right-hand corner next button. It looks like three little icons. If you touch that, the first time you touch it, it goes to satellite view. The next time you touch it, it goes to hybrid view. The next time you touch it, it goes back to map view. But if you're already standing at the site, don't touch the screen at all. Just hit next. Then it asks for the site ID. And as you know, site IDs are a combination of alphanumerics. So let's go ahead and pretend the alphanumeric is PRT-12345. Notice I misspelled PRT. So I'm going to go ahead and touch my iPhone, back up, put the letter R there, and hit next. Now it warns you that you're supposed to be at the site, and if you understand, hit next. And then it asks you if you are currently at the site. If you say no, it will not allow you to complete the form. If you say yes, it'll move forward. Then it asks for the service provider company. Let's pretend the name of our company is Tower Hands Incorporated. This is a good opportunity to show off the voice-to-text capability that we have integrated into our software. On an iPhone, if you look down next to the space bar, you will see a microphone. On an Android device, the microphone is typically either down by the space bar or somewhere in the upper right-hand corner. Look for it. And when you press the space bar, you can just talk. Tower Hands Incorporated. And hit next. Now it asks you for your initials. And then it shows you everything that you just entered in a review. You have not saved the data yet. It's just a chance for you to recognize if you typed everything correctly. Let's pretend for the sake of example that it's actually PRT-123456. We forgot the 6 in the site ID. You don't have to go back up to change your answer. Simply touch the word PRT-12345 and it'll pop right open to that spot. Enter a 6, hit next. And we've edited our answer. And that's true for all cells that are editable. Hit next again, and it says, if you're done, hit next one more time. Now, you have just saved your Ericsson Southern Link microwave site to the database, and you'll see all the data you just collected. And if you look at the top of the screen, it says Details Questions. These are the detail questions of the site. If you look in the bottom right-hand corner, it says Photos and Forms. In a moment, in our next video, we're going to add a photo and form to our site. That is the end of this video, how to add a site to the database.